It's Mega Grace on Vuma FM Adult Radio for the young at heart. It's 6 minutes before Bongani Mtolo Slilanga and Gabriel Sithole ngalesi sikhathi ngisuke sengithi bamba sengiyavala ekseni. Bamba ke sengiyavala ngaphambi kokuqala usuku lwakhe incwadi kaDaniel chapter 6 verse 10. Daniel always prayed to God 3 times every day. 3 times every day he bowed down on his knees to pray and praise God. Mambele leli verse namhlanje as you are starting your Monday morning. Ifuna ukuthi ekseni izinto ozenzayo mawudlula esimeni yizona ezichazayo ukuthi uyohlala esimeni isikhathi esingakanani. Izinto ozenzayo mawudlula esimeni esithile ziyakuvezela zikunikeza nama signs ukuthi esimeni sakho uyohlala kuso isikhathi esingakanani. Daniel bathi mabengena esimeni bangacomplaina ngesimo, bangakhuluma ngesimo, bangadescribe isimo, bangadumisa isimo, kodwa bangena esimeni badumisa uNkulunkulu ngoba izinto zenzayo usesimeni yizo ezizokuchazela ukuthi how long will you stay in your situation. Kodwa into kumele uyibambe ukuthi uthi mawukusisimo ifocus yakho ingabi kuyisimo kodwa ifocus yakho ibe uNkulunkulu ngaphezulu kwesimo sakho. Labafana abathathu kuthiwa 3 times a day they pray to God. Asibezwa bechaza ukuthi umlilo ushisa kangakanani, asibezwa bechaza ukuthi basaba kangakanani ngesimo abakusona, kodwa kunalokho sibona ifocus yabo ibheke kakhulu uNkulunkulu. 3 times a day they prayed. Futhi bengathandazi ngesimo sabo kodwa babekhuleka kuNkulunkulu bechaza uNkulunkulu bedumisa uNkulunkulu ngoba ukuba kwakho sesimeni manga shift ifocus yakho ugcina usudumisa isimo sakho ngoba the more ukhuluma ngaso usichaza you magnify your situation, but in your situation you need to magnify your God. Abonakala uNkulunkulu wakho emkhulu kunesimo sakho ngoba mawuhlala esimeni uqhubeka njalo ukhuluma ngesimo sakho kuyokwenza ukuthi ungaphumi kalule esimeni sakho uqhubeka ukuhlale kuso ngoba every time you are exalting your situation you are exalting isimo sakho, kodwa yithu phakathi in your situation udumise uNkulunkulu. Abafana babili uPaul benosila bathi besesimeni bangafocusa kuyisimo sokuba sejele, but isibezwa bedumisa uNkulunkulu in the midst of their pain, in the midst of their misery, kodwa bazwakala bedumisa uNkulunkulu ngoba izinto zenzayo in your situation yizo ezokutshela ukuthi uzohlala isikhathi esingakanani kuleso simo. Uthiwa Paul noSila they started to worship God in the midst of their pain. Kwavele kwazama ijele kwaqashuka amaketa ngoba izinto zenzayo in the midst of your pain yizona izosho ukuthi uzohlala isikhathi esingakanani. Ngakho bengaku-advise ukuthi in your pain praise God, in your disappointment elevate God, in your setback worship God. Dumisa uNkulunkulu phakathi esimeni sakho. Ukudumisa kwakho kuyokutshela ukuthi uyophuma nini esimeni sakho ngoba mawumdumisa uyafika ngenelele enza ukuthile empilweni yakho. I am Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning, Mega Grace Nation.